Welcome, Aquaba, how to cook rice with shea butter. The ingredients that you may need are on your screen. Orange leaves, sliced onion, shea butter, and the rice. First, put the cooking pot on fire and put the shea butter in it to melt. After it has been melted, put the sliced onion in it and let the orange leaves follow. Fry it till the onion becomes brown. Add water and cover it to boil. Add little salt to taste and cover it till it boils. Wash your rice and put it in the boiling water. Shea butter has a very strong smell and taste, so fry the orange leaves and the onion together in the shea butter oil or in the melted shea butter. It makes the strong taste and the smell disappear. So after cooking the rice for the first time, add little water if necessary. When you use shea butter to cook rice, it makes it look like the rice is tujimi. Never mind the word. It is a Ghanaian language. So shea butter is very good for your skin and it is also good for your health. So after cooking for the first time, reduce the temperature and let it cook for a long time till the rice is ready. When it is ready, then you say your prayers and then you start enjoying your food. Let him see if it tastes good. Yeah. This is natural. It tastes good. Thank you for watching how to cook shea butter rice. May God bless you. May God let all your wish come true. If today is your first time, please subscribe. Thank you and bye. Sarfo Baffoe.